So I'm back, and today we're looking at the Bandai model kit Mandolorian, and let me just stand them up over here for a second while we look at Hasbro first. Then we got the Hasbro Star Wars Black Series Mandalorian. I got a modded cape off of eBay, so that's why. Cape is not included. Let's start off with the details. Because I ain't gonna... the wrinkles in the undersuit are pretty detailed. So is this gray area down here. This area on the chest plate is also pretty good. There's also this, which has a little dent in it. And then the belt, but a lot of paint and time. Shoulder pads are pretty simple. And then this other shoulder pad has the mudhorn symbol from when in the show when Baby Yoda defeats the mudhorn. And up here, this undersuit is detailed with lines. And then the gloves are just simple, I guess, undergloves to the black glove with the armor plate on it. The gauntlets don't have much paint on them. That's this one. The armor, or the strap, has a little patch on it, which looks pretty good. And then the holster, so just a basic holster. Down here on the feet, you got the, I guess, ion charges. You got this weird knee pad looking thing, and then you got the actual knee pad. And then you got this shin guard looking thing. And this leg actually has a shin guard. Anyway, let's get into articulation. The head goes this far up, that far down, this side. The arm goes out. It can go all the way around, no problem. Goes this far outwards. The shoulder pads are pretty rubbery, so they will have that little, you would have to push them down for a second. Single elbow with a hinge goes up this far. There's a swivel, and then this hand is up and down for the pistol and the long gun, or sorry, the sniper rifle, and then it can also turn. Body can go this far. This far actually. This far. This too much to the side. This much to the other side. The legs can go up pretty far. Pretty good for an armored character. It goes this far out, but this leg has the holster and the hip pad, so it doesn't go as far out. The leg can go up here. Ankle can go this much forward, this much up, and forward facing peg for rocker. He's very tall, or not very tall. He's a very good figure. Oh, and I forgot that the hips also have a rotation on them. It's a very good figure. As I said at the beginning, I upgraded with a posable cape so because that hard candy shell cape was not good. For accessories, he comes with this, if I could pick it up, this rifle, and then he comes with his blaster, and then he comes with the rifle, which has a peg on it, that if you turn, well, for me, I have to turn the cape around. Hold on, let me get it pushed in. And you got him looking pretty cool with the cape flowing. But yeah, this gun has a lot of detail put into it. The scope is starting to bend a little, and it's starting to rust because I've had it for a little while. Also comes with this jetpack, very, well, just gray and dull, nothing special about it. The deluxe Boba Fett can have, I'm pretty sure the effects can go in the little holes right there. But yeah, this cape is pretty easy to maneuver around that, and it doesn't really bundle up very nicely, but it can get down, and I guess if you get it in the moment, it would look good. But yeah, that's that figure. The Mandolorian, very nicely detailed, but that's only Hasbro. Next, we got the Bandai model kit. Hold on, let me switch the hand out here so it doesn't have the rifle in it. So this figure, and I didn't put any of the stickers on it. I thought I'd need help with it, but it's pretty good. It gave you with the cloth cape at the beginning. This neck piece does come off a lot, and I accidentally got a little bit off, but the helmet is just a simple build, and a hole goes in it. Boom. It's nicely detailed, and this one has that, I think it's painted on the Hasbro. Yeah, it's painted on the Hasbro, while this one's sculpted in to the plate. He also has, they put in these two pieces as part of the build, because if you look back at the character design, he has those on his leg. He's pretty nice. He falls apart sometimes. Like this arm will occasionally or like this lower arm, or upper and lower arm will just pop off sometimes. But let's get into articulation. You can look up this far, look down that far, tilt. His arm goes up this far, and that's because it is a drop down kind of situation, and this shoulder pad can go up and down when you need it to. So it could go up that far, you could put it back up, and it will go all the way around. Double elbow comes up to about there, and then over here the articulations in the hands is just something you plug the peg into, and you get any type of movement with it. And there's of course this part up here which moves. The chest goes down this far, goes back this far, tilt, the leg goes up this far. Well, that popped off, but without that, that happens, and that's with the drop down. So you can make them taller in your pictures if you want. I'll put that back on in a minute. Double, well, actually no, that's a signal knee. Goes up through there. Ankle goes down, goes up, and forward facing pen. Let me put this back on behind the camera. Let's stand them up. For accessories, he comes with this blaster. Sorry, the hands on there. Just had it on there, so didn't want to take the time. I didn't, like I said, I didn't put any stickers on it, but it still looks good. I like the way it looks. He comes with his blaster. Also, didn't put the stickers on it. He also comes with the jetpack. When you're building him, it's like it comes out of nowhere, but he comes with some pieces to a Boba Fett that you can build out of, I'm assuming, a bunch of different figures. But yeah, that was the Bandai Mandolorian. His neck will pop off occasionally, but yeah, that was. Oh yeah, this satchel right here will pop up out of the shoulder. Anyway, that was the review for the Bandai Model Kit Mandalorian and the Hasbro Star Wars Black Series Mandalorian. Which one was better, in my opinion? The Hasbro has paint details without, doing it yourself. Good articulation. But the model kit, I want to switch those capes out so one is wired. But the model kit, it falls apart a lot. For obvious reasons, it is going to be. Actually, it's a tie. Maybe I'll decide out of nowhere. But that was Bandai Model Kit Mandalorian Beskar Armor versus the Hasbro Star Wars Black Series Mandalorian with Beskar Armor. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.